Welcome to our channel. If you're a beginner wanting to buy Bitcoin, follow these step-by-step instructions to make your first cryptocurrency purchase safely and easily. Step 1. Educate yourself about Bitcoin basics, understanding that it's a digital currency that exists only online, operates on a decentralized network, and can be used for payments, investments, or storing value. Step 2. Choose a beginner-friendly cryptocurrency exchange, such as Coinbase, Gemini, or Cash App, that offers easy-to-use interfaces, educational resources, strong security, and good customer support for new users. Step 3. Create your account by providing your email address, creating a password, and downloading the exchange's mobile app or accessing their website through a secure internet connection. Step 4. Verify your identity by submitting personal information and government-issued identification as required by regulations. This process typically takes a few minutes to a few hours depending on the exchange. Step 5. Add a payment method such as a bank account, debit card, or credit card to your exchange account. Bank accounts usually have lower fees, while cards offer instant purchases at higher costs. Step 6. Start small with your first purchase, perhaps buying just $50 to $100 worth of Bitcoin to get comfortable with the process before investing larger amounts. Step 7. Execute your purchase by entering the dollar amount you want to spend, reviewing the exchange rate and fees, and confirming the transaction. Your Bitcoin will appear in your exchange wallet within minutes. Step 8. Learn about wallet security and consider transferring your Bitcoin to a personal wallet once you accumulate a significant amount. Keep your password and backup phrase extremely secure and never share them with anyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.